Oh, here he comes. He's loving it. Pedal to the metal, boy. Yes, gang, how we all doing today? We're out and about. We're crashing. We're thrashing. Oh, sexual. Take number 2. So how are we all doing today? We're all doing good. I've been enjoying myself. Been riding a fair bit lately, but not really filming anything. No real. Nice. Well, it wasn't clean, but we got there. Let's go do some sends, boy. It is slippy on these tyres today, I tell you that. Bloody traffic here.
Oh, coming down. It's far, isn't it?
All right. Oh, we've got this mountain in front of us. Oh, paddling it up. Messed it up. Needed way more pace. Oh no, we've just got message through that one of the boys has hurt his leg. There is a chance he's broken his leg. Oh my days, that is not what we wanted. Dan's also got the Valley's Extreme at the end of the month as well. This is not cool. This really is not cool. Oh no. Oh no, I can see an egg on the floor. Oh no. Oh no, he's not Will. Which bit? The top? Yeah, he needs to get to the hospital rapido. That'll come through his leg otherwise. We need to... You got a helicopter, haven't you? Oh, mate. Oh, mate. It's not well. You'll do anything not to be in that race, wouldn't you, boy? Oh, my giggity. They've only gone and got the chopper in. The chopper's coming to get old Danny boy. Oh my days, it's getting extreme out here, boys! Wow. Okay, we're doing a little lap there to make sure I don't hit nothing. So Dan's over there, see that high vis guy to the right? They got to get him to the chopper. They must have a 4x4. Surely. No, there's loads of people around him.
There's at least 3 birds around him. He's probably loving it right now. So it's just right here. He ain't got enough fingers for that. Ain't got enough fingers, bless him.
Yeah, they got this little tank thing out just to take him over to the chopper. This is what you call service. Proper service. Poor old Danny boy, eh? At least we've got to see the chopper. The chopper man did come up actually. He told us, oh, he reckons he's dislocated his hip and then broken his leg on the top part. And then I did put in a special request to see if we could do a trick or fly over our head. But he said he wouldn't. He said he's got to go that way, go out and that way straight away, just so he doesn't, just to be as quick as possible, sort of thing. I'll be honest, it really sucks for Dan. Really does suck a lot, but it is quite exciting. It's quite exciting to see it all unfold. They were here quick. I'll be honest, they were probably here within 10 to 15 minutes. That's what it felt like to me, anyway. Oh, chopper! Look at that beast. Look at that beast. Oh, that is a few quid's worth right there. That is a machine. I want to be in a good position. I want to watch it fly off. Let's get under this little bit. They're never going to know where I am. So here's the little 4x4. Well, actually, it's not a 4x4 because it's got 6 wheels. So I don't know what that, does it make it a 3x3 or 6x6? I don't know. I don't know, but he's in the back of that basically. We're going to probably be ushered to move away. Hopefully you can see too. Look at the team. Look at the urgency. Look at everyone running about. I guess you don't want to run around really because you might slip over. I think I've been in a helicopter once actually. You know, like the carnivals. The carnival's about, you pay to go in the old chopper. I think I did that once. Oh, gang's arrived. Everyone's come for the air show. There he is, on the stretcher. He's on the stretcher there. Side load him straight through. Oh God. I'll tell you what, he's wrapped up like a Christmas turkey there. Look at this elite team of industry professionals. Oh God. Oh, you can hear the turbine engine spooling up. Hopefully I'm going to be alright here. Oh! As said, unlucky for Dan, but this is quite exciting. I think they're going to take off and go that way. At least he's with the best possible people now. They're the whole team of paramedics that were here like, boom. They were here so freaking quick, considering we're in the middle of nowhere. And they were just on him. They were all trying to fix it, trying to get him into the best place possible. A few times we heard him shout, which is obviously just explains how much pain he's in, because they banged a load of painkillers in him straight away. And now they're going to fly him straight to the hospital. I guess this is the downside of enduro. Obviously it's an extreme sport. You always got to respect it, and sometimes people just get hurt. It's unfortunate. It's a really unfortunate crash. It's just one of those things. But fortunately here in the UK we've got this sort of service to help people, you know, if they get stuck. We're literally in the middle of nowhere, like, and they found this place they could land and they stretched them across. They even got the 4x4 buggy out that you saw, and it's just pretty incredible that we have this stuff here. Oh, look at that for a shot. Oh, it's getting windy now. It's getting windy. Look at the trees. I've got leaves in my eyes. Oh God, there's loads of stuff going in your face. He's coming back. Wow. The bloody force of that, that is insane. Oh my God, he's right over my head. See you, Dan. I guess he's got to get a bit of height. And then he's going to just pedal to the metal, boy. Wow, the force, the downdraft off that car. Here he goes. See you, boy. Oh, Horatio, lad. See you, boy. What do you reckon on that then? That was pretty sick. That was pretty special, that. I think we should go and do a bit more riding though. In his honour. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. That was pretty cool. Get the old trails in. So if I haven't mentioned it already, I've got 2 pretty worn tyres, but fortunately they're Michelin. I've got a Michelin medium on the back, and even when they're quite worn out, you do still get a lot, well, you still get a fair bit of grip, to be honest. But it's, I don't know how it looks on camera, but it's pretty slippy today. It's quite chalky in some places around here as well. So it's, can be a bit of a force to be reckoned with, this place. Oh, ejectocito, cuz! Let's try right side. I think it's a bit more rough that side. Well, it wasn't clean, but we got up there. I tried holding the throttle more consistent that time. That's definitely seemed to help. Oh god, I squeezed the clutch at the last point then. That was not cool. There's a couple of reasons why I'm not actually changing my tyres over just yet. First reason, I'm being tight. But second reason, I feel like it's a little bit of good practice. Like kind of just riding with what you've got really. You know, obviously you can't be swapping your tyre over, so you've got a brand new tyre every ride. You've got to ride until you worn your tyres out. This is probably the most worn rear tyre I've ever used. I made that look shit. Yes! So the top bit's a little bit gnarly actually, because it's a bit it's kind of a bit vert really. I don't think I can really show you an example because the camera won't do it justice, but not too bad. You can just go as quick as you want up it.
I've not done that before.
You don't have to pop it, nothing. Just ride it like it's got a bit of a transition and just confident speed. All the confidence in the world. Yes! You've got to really soak up the landing or it kind of like goes bing bing and pings you off. Yes! Look at this master at work. She's just showing us how to get out of the hill. Oh, branches and no goggles. Not a good idea. Oh, that's matey. You're right, boy. Have a look at this. Got two of them. The Curse 250. These boys love them. Air-cooled specials, top razzers. If in doubt, flat out. 4-bagger central. They love it. And they're smiling. They love it. Here he comes. He's loving it. Oh, mud in my face because I'm a big disgrace. Oh, slip, slop, slip, slop. Look, here we are. We're out razzing. We're on this Chinese beast. It's a 4-banger. It's called a Curse 250. I've not ridden a 250 in ages. Oh, look, there's the Tashyenduro. He's fucking loving it, boy. I can't get used to this. God, I can't even keep up with the boy. Oh, his brake pedal is it's so hard to find. It's worse than my bike. You know what? You enjoy what you got. And he absolutely loves it. He's sending it. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, mate. Little jump. Oh God, I can't find a brake. Oh well, on a 4-banger they got a lot of engine braking. Oh, listen to that. I'll tell you what, it sounds better being on a 4-banger than when you're behind it. God, I can't get used to where his brake lever is. I find it very hard to get used to where your brake lever is.
Yeah, I did that as well. On yours, I come into that corner and was like, shit, there's a back brake.
But mine's actually showing, unlike if I look down at yours, you got, look at that, tiny little nubby sticking out.
Well, they're not supposed to stick out further. Well, it's cold, mate.
Yeah, get a ring spanner on that. What do you reckon on that then?
It's nice being back on a 2-stroke. It's just there, isn't it? It's like,
yeah.
Very nice.
Well, I'm not sure I'll buy one, but however, you ride, you enjoy what you got, don't you? Yeah. That's the thing, it does the thing. Gets you up there, razzing about, makes a load of noise.
And if you drop it, you don't
Good fun.
care.
It's good fun, yeah. A couple of times I was coming down that hill thinking, it was like as if I'd never ridden before, and I was going, I can't find the brake, can't find the brake! And like tapping down.
It's a 4-stroke, use your engine brake.
Yeah, not used to it. It's good.
How did it feel being overtaken by your own bike?
It was quite good because I videoed it.
He's like, look at that. Look.
Yeah, it just backed up. It backed up my saying that was a superior bike.
Tashyenduro.
Yeah, that's my Instagram.
Oh,
Yeah.
I forget that.
And here we go. This is the spot. This is the spot. He was coming flying into here. Must have looked at the tree. Boom. Look at these scuffs. He's got scuffs on both sides of the tree. Car.
Got a little bow.
Look at that. That is nasty. There's the memorial. Look, I think they oh, that's hospital tape. There you go. Warning. Warning. Most dangerous hill here, that. Yeah, I think I saw another hill actually over there. It was by, you know the hill we always do on the left that's got the JTM log? Yeah. If you go from the right hand side of that JTM log, you can go diagonally straight out the hill.
Prove it.
Alright. I think I thought you could come up, go between them trees and then straight out there. Almost. Claim the hill. Oh. So close. Ah, probably looks not very steep on camera, but it's quite steep. It's to getting used to the wiggling with no berms or anything there. Oh, that looks good. I'll try and straight line it from here. Yeah. Oh. The tree that I thought was solid was completely dead. Where's he going? Oh. Go on, boy. Oh, stoned it right in the mouth. Well, I got up there, wasn't clean at all. Very, very messy in fact. But I'll take it. And then on that glorious note, the sun is going down. And my thoughts are going out to old Dan. Because he did get hurt, but he did get a free helicopter ride. I don't know if it's worth it or what, but as always, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one.
See ya later.